Hello everybody, this will be a quick achievement walkthrough for the game Word Quest Nature. Simply, you just have to play through the first 10 levels, and then once you load up a level 11, the last 2 achievements will pop. It was published and developed by the company Gametry. They made several other games exactly like this, just different type of themes. Should take you no more than 2.5, maybe 3 minutes, but other than that, watch along, copy the words, get your 1000 gamer score. Have a good one. Okay, and then once we hit the next button, the final 2 achievements should pop for you. I obviously already have done the game, but as long as you follow along with the video, you should have got 1000 out of 1000. But that's it for me today. Have a good one.